Hi, welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today I would like to share with you how I make my own tea bags. If you like to drink tea as much as I do, then stay with me. It's hard to find quality tea bags on the market these days. There is a ton of good loose teas, but not tea bags. So I decided to make my own tea bags and make them with the flavors I like. So let me show you step by step how to do it. It's not that hard, believe me. First thing, you need a high-speed blender. I'm using NutriBullet, the same one that I make my smoothies. Run your blender on high speed in order to grind the herbs into almost like a powder. Not necessarily powder, but very close, so you can easily put it into tea bags. This is the texture you should be looking for. Now you need to prepare your tags. I got these from Hobby Lobby, but you can also just cut your own from cardstock. And now you need some sort of an empty tea bags so you can fill them up with your homemade tea. I ordered mine from Etsy.com. And these were not that expensive, $8.59 for 100 pieces. And if you order like 400 pieces, it'll be, I believe, $19. They are very good quality, 100% cotton tea bags, and I am very pleased with what I got. So all you have to do is to fill up one tea bag with 2 spoons of your tea and attach the tag. And then you can also make these cute tea boxes with some cardstock and put your favorite tea blends inside and enjoy it, or gift it to your friends and family. My favorite flavor combinations for now are rose and hibiscus. I also like linden and lemon balm, lemon verbena and chamomile, and my favorite, currant, caraway and blueberry. This tea turns blue. Very interesting color. I also like rose and chamomile and a few others. So this is how easy it is to make your own tea bags. Thank you for watching. See you next time.